Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some SlickWraps skins. Now you can pick these up from SlickWraps.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. These usually go for about 20 bucks. Now on a side note, if you like what you see, when you go to the website, make sure you check for the discount codes because everything is usually on sale. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Now if you look right now, it's 50% off of everything. Now I actually just ordered the skin for my MacBook. It was 60 bucks. I only paid 30. All right, so let's go to iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's take a look at some of the different designs. Got your camouflage, the retro theme, all your wood series, honeycomb. You got stone. You got the neon glow. Plenty of styles to choose from. Now, there's one more thing I wanted to mention. This is going to be the first of my holiday giveaways. All right, so shout out to SlickWraps. Whatever's in this box, we're doing a giveaway. Stay tuned to the end of the video for that. All right, so let's unbox these and see what we got in here. Right. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white
calm down. All right, here we go. Now let's see what we got on deck. Okay, so that's it for that. Let's take a look. Now we got a bunch of skins for your AirPod Pro, and we got a couple of skins for your iPhones. So let's take a look at the iPhone skins first. Package is trolling. All right, here we go. Now, one thing I will mention, y'all know I usually wasn't heavy into the skins until I did the last video and I realized how easy they was to put on, but most importantly, how easy they are to take off. That was one of the things that discouraged me from using skins, is because the last time it took me forever to put it on and forever to take it off. With the SlickWrap ones, it takes a few seconds to put on and even faster to take off. All right, so we got the wood. I'm actually gonna slap these on. Let's see, we got honeycomb. All right, that looks kind of dope. This looks like a black camouflage. Okay, I like that. Oh, we got the green camouflage. I'm definitely slapping that one on. Let's see, we got a SlickWrap stickers, microfiber. Let's see now, this is a honeycomb. Check this out. If I can pick it up. You got two different styles of skins. You got the ones that cover the whole phone. You see these cover the sides, top and the bottom, and the ones that just cover the back. Personally, I like the ones that just cover the back because you can still use a case. If you use the full skin, you can't use a case because it's gonna peel up when you take your case on and off. Let's see what else we got. Okay, the red carbon fiber. This looks pretty sick. And we got a matte. This looks like a leatherish green. All right, I like that. Now, check this out. We got a bunch of skins for your AirPod Pros. Let's open this up. Okay. Oh, this is everything. All right, let's see. So we got black. We got silver. Okay, this looks like a straight shiny silver. We got carbon fiber, silver. We got pink. We got lime green carbon fiber. Got the red carbon fiber. I think I'm gonna use this and match it with my iPhone. Let's see, this looks like an orange, a peaches color orange. This is an orange. You got a matte red, and this actually has a leatherish feel to it. I like this one for sure. Same thing, leather with the green. We got blue with the leather. Okay, shout out to SlickWraps. They basically sent the whole library. Oh, check this out. Now we got the retro iPhone. All right, I like this one. Let's save that to the side. Black retro iPhone. All right, black with the retro logo. I like that one. Let's see, we got camouflage. White carbon fiber. We got the blue carbon fiber. Let's see. This looks like a black leather. Silver honeycomb. We got the gold honeycomb. This is that black. I forgot the name of this one. It's on the website. I think it's called Dark Matter. I like that one too. This looks like a wood grain. Okay, this is that real wood grain. And if you notice, you cover the back of your case, the bottom, top, and the actual buds. Let's see what else we got. Another wood. Okay, this is like a bronze wood. Okay, now this is gold, 100% gold. All right. This is a black leatherish material. And the matte black with a textured feel. All right, so let me grab an iPhone. I'm gonna slap one of these skins on and let's see how it looks. All right, so I just slapped 2 of these on real quick just so you can see what they look like. Basically, just peel and stick. All right, so here's the red carbon fiber and here's the green. Now, let's get to the giveaway. All right, now this is an international giveaway and here's how you enter. I'm gonna post this picture on Instagram. All you have to do is read the caption and follow the directions. Now, I'm gonna announce the winner on Cyber Monday and SlickWraps is gonna handle the rest. Okay, so here we go. First giveaway for the holiday season. And on a side note, I'm teaming up with a bunch of other companies, so we got a few more gifts. This is just the first one. Here we go. Beautiful military presentation. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. We got a brand new set of AirPod Pros. Now, not just any regular AirPod Pros. Check this out. Fully wrapped from SlickWraps. Now, when you win, you pick the design that you want. They're going to wrap them up for you and send them out just like this. Now, let me show you what they look like. This is the honeycomb version. Okay, looks beautiful, fully wrapped. Let's open this up. Let's take a look at the actual buds. Now, they actually wrap the sides too. This is sick. This is sick. So like I said, if you want a chance to win these, look for this post on Instagram, read the caption, and follow the directions. All right, so check out the SlickWrap skins, and if you want a chance to win some wrapped AirPod Pros, take it over to Instagram and enter the giveaway. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.